what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage Dubois. Welcome back. Today we are doing our drawing for the Tung Wax Kit giveaway from Brad at Brad's Workbench. So we're going to use the YouTube random comment picker, and we're going to get somebody identified so we can get that kit sent out. So let's take a look. All right, we have our video pulled up here. We've picked our comments. There are 28 comments so we're going to pick our winner. And Spindle's Workshop, Louie, well done. Congratulations. Louie, shoot me some info and I'll pass it on to Brad and we'll get you a kit in the mail. So congratulations, and we'll go from there. And once again, well, congratulations, Louie. Super glad that you got the chance to win that and to try that out. So definitely send me your info. You have 1 week to reach out to me. I know you'll reach out to me long before then, but I'll give you a week to reach out to me and get me your contact info so that we can get that kit sent out to you. So thanks to everybody for participating. Thanks again to everybody who supported us over this time period, and especially those who have supported Brad with his Tung Wax Kit finishes and his abrasive paste and tongue honey. So if you haven't tried it, there's a link down in the description below, so definitely go give it a try. At any rate, we hope you appreciated that. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, and we'll catch you all next time.